It's Cyber Monday, which means it's also time to cash in on cloudHQ's annual all-you-can-eat sale. It's your one chance a year to get the premium version of every single one of our 65 productivity tools for only $54.99 a month. And when you go buffet style with this deal, you'll be saving over $500 a month. Let me show you just the top 5 tools included in this deal that'll make you feast your eyes on the spread. First up, we have Save Emails to PDF. This lets you save and send your emails as one PDF file. And with the premium version, you'll be able to save as many emails to PDF as you want, and even be able to encrypt and password protect them too. An excellent solution for storing sensitive information. That would have cost you $14.99 a month for the ultimate tool for file management and security. Next up, we have Multi-Email Forward. Multi-Email Forward lets you forward as many emails as you want to another email address with just one click. Whether you're onboarding a new employee or migrating your entire email account to another one, you'll save $14.99 a month with this deal. Next, we have Gmail Label and Email Sharing. With a savings of $19.80 a month, you'll also get this ultimate collaboration tool, giving you the power to share labels and emails with a colleague the way you would share folders in Google Drive. Then we have Gmail Email Templates. Save $7.99 a month and seize the opportunity to send professionally designed emails that you can personalize from the comfort and ease of your own Gmail inbox. With the ability to copy any email that you've received and edit it to make it your own, this is truly a special gift. Then we have Email Signatures. Create an amazing email signature for yourself and for your entire company in seconds with free email signature generator for Gmail. With a savings of $4.99 a month and the ability to manage your entire team's signature via G Suite admin integration, you'll be really treating yourself. And that's just scratching the surface. We have over 65 different tools that'll make you a master of the new business year. Join over 4 million customers who know the value of being productive, valued at over $500 a month. Get them all for our annual sale price of only $54.99 a month by visiting cloudhq.net/purchase_all on Cyber Monday to take advantage of this one-time offer and treat yourself to the tools you need to slay 2020. CloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.